You're on.
Hey everybody, this Wolfpack take 467,331. So anyways, she forgot to turn on the mic. Hopefully you can hear me. We're trying our best. We're really trying it. LA Beast, gotta give a big shout out to that guy. And I'm like this, I hope you can hear me loud and clear. If not, you know what we did as a mistake? You probably would have just kicked me right directly in the groin, which I would have deserved, okay? When she was put the mic in there, she forgot to take the plastic wrapper off the battery. So the mic didn't work. Ah, silly, silly. Peace Annie, you're so silly. Just a silly, silly. But would you look at that? Okay.
That's why the mic wasn't working.
Ed Bassmaster would have figured that one out. Because he's a master at catching fish. I still want to see him. I still can't stop teasing him. Jack, why do you have a veil over your head? When you're hanging out with Ed Bassmaster? I always thought about it. Did you guys get married yet? Like, that's cool. I was just wondering. Curiosity. Like, I don't want to walk around on the street staring at my cell phone or get hit by a bus and die. Curiosity. Did you guys get married yet? Just, it's curiosity.
Who's that?
Hmm?
Who are the two people you're talking about?
Oh, Jack Vale and Ed Bassmaster.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. LA Beast, can you ask them for me? That'd be greatly appreciated. And tell them, have a great day. Wolfpack's gonna say, have an awesome day. And congratulations on your wedding. I hope one day, like, you would invite me over to, like, I want to see Ed Bassmaster lift up the veil and give Jack a kiss. LA Beast, I know you'll like that one. Yeah, I'm a French newbie, so I really screwed up. I'm either going backwards, forward, but sometimes I'm well balanced while I'm sitting on the step. So anyways, LA Beast, this is another shout out for you, saying, you know what, have fun, enjoy life. There's so much beautiful things out there. There's so many beautiful and caring people. And even my camera person right now is Peace Annie, trying to figure out her camcorder, I guess that's what it's called. Yeah, we're still working on that one. And we figured out how to maybe hear sounds by taking the plastic off of like a AAA battery and you stick it back in the thing and you twist the knob. Like, it's almost like, well, how come your lights don't work? Turn the switch on. Oh shit. Have a great day. Alright, this is Wolfpack saying, love you guys, have fun, enjoy. Woohoo! Bye bye. See ya. Rawr, rawr.